front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary One. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Display. Now scroll again, this time to click on Font Size and Style, and when you're ready, select Font Style. Then tap on Download Fonts at the bottom of the list and download Rosemary One thanks to this button next to it, or by clicking on it and choosing Install. Either way, when it's ready, go back to the list, and to apply it, simply tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!